Hi, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to pin this PC on Taskbar in Windows 10. Step 1. Right-click on any empty space on the Windows 10 desktop. This opens a context menu that lets you create new items or customize desktop options, and it is the starting point for creating a shortcut. Step 2. Hover your cursor over New and then click on Shortcut. This option allows you to create a direct link to a system location, app, or file for easier access. Step 3. In the type the location of the item box, paste the provided location code. This code points directly to the This PC System location, which gives access to drives and connected devices. Step 4. Click on Next. This confirms the location you entered and moves you to the next step of naming the shortcut. Step 5. Enter the name as This PC. Using the correct name helps you easily recognize the shortcut on your desktop. Step 6. Click on Finish. This creates the This PC shortcut on your desktop so you can customize it further. Step 7. Right-click on the newly created This PC shortcut. This opens another menu with options to change how the shortcut looks and behaves. Step 8. Click on Properties. This section allows you to modify shortcut settings such as the icon and target location. Step 9. Click on Change Icon. This option is used to replace the default shortcut icon with the original This PC System icon. Step 10. In the Look for Icons in this file box, paste the provided icon address. This file contains the official Windows system icons, including This PC. Step 11. Click on OK. This loads the available icons from the file you selected. Step 12. Select the This PC icon and click on OK. Choosing the correct icon makes the shortcut look like the original system shortcut. Step 13. Click on Apply and then click on OK. This saves all the changes you made to the shortcut settings. Step 14. Right-click on the This PC shortcut again. This opens the context menu where taskbar options are available. Step 15. Click on Pin to Taskbar. This adds the This PC icon to the Windows 10 taskbar for quick and easy access anytime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.